Say hello to the Doogee Blade GT, a smartphone that represents an unusual combination of robust durability and a modern design. Unlike the typical Doogee offering, this device takes attention with its light elf LED strips on the back, which makes the phone a real visual spectacle. There are 6 light strips on the back that serve as notification, music synchronization and a charging status display. The strips are interactive and even express emotions depending on the activity of the phone. The Blade GT comes with a 6.72-inch Full HD Plus IPS TFT display and a 120Hz refresh rate, providing a smooth experience while scrolling and playing games. Although it's not OLED, the screen meets the needs of most users, especially those who value durability more than the perfect color reproduction. It's powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7050 processor, along with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage for added convenience. The device also has a micro SD card slot. The main camera delivers solid results in good lighting, while additional cameras include the 8MP ultra-wide angle lens and the 2MP macro camera. The 32MP selfie camera has support for AI, such as the magic eraser and a background changer. Doogee has not given up on its tradition of durable devices. IP68 certification guarantees water and dust resistance, while the MIL-STD 810G certifications confirms the phone's ability to survive extreme conditions. 5000 mAh battery ensures all-day durability even in the harshest circumstances. The Blade GT is a phone that balances rugged cartridge with the modern aesthetics, targeting users who want robustness with a touch of style. Whether lightning elements like the light elf with enough of the reason for attention remains to be seen, but one thing is for sure, Doogee is experimenting with something completely new. Don't miss out on this impressive device. Sales links are below this video, be sure to visit it, grab yours now and take your smartphone experience to the next level. Thanks for watching and be sure to like, subscribe and leave a comment below. See you in the next video, bye.